Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. You can see Rumpelstiltskin is here at the glass. He's been going at it for a little bit now since I woke up. So I'm going to open the door because you can see on the tip of his nose, or top of his nose, he's got nose rub. So I guess there was a period of time here I was pretty busy and wasn't really allowed to, didn't have a lot of time to spend letting them out and getting some one-on-one time. So he ended up getting a little nose rub there, which is he's healing up. It's all scabbed over now, but I try to definitely let him out when I see him, asking for the doors to be open. Huh? Is that what you wanted, Rumpelstiltskin? You just wanted the door open? You just wanted the door open? Yeah, Rumpelstiltskin's really lately been the only one begging to do much coming out lately. I mean, if I open the door, Aunt Ivy gets interested. See, there she goes. She's like, ooh, the door's open, ready to go. She just hasn't been begging, but she absolutely loves when the door is open and takes full advantage of it without hesitation. And Rumpel, is that all you wanted to do today? You just wanted to sit there with the door open and your head hanging out? You have no intentions of coming further than that? Huh? Huh? Do you have no intentions of coming any further than that? And Type is going. Type is going. Good to see you, baby girl. Good morning. Good morning. He sure can't. You haven't come out in a while. Do you want to come out? Do you want to come roam? Do you want to look in my direction at all? No? That's alright. Hey, Aunt Type. Everybody's having a slow morning coming out. This is what I love about my snakes. I love offering them this. I love that they know that when the door is open, they can come out. And this is their time to shine. Oh, there's a little tiny piece of it. I thought I got all the shed off of you, but you still have a tiny piece on your mouth. So I'm going to help you get that off here in a minute. But Antiope is coming out further. Are you going to come out further, Rumpel? Rumpel? You just wanted a little fresh air. You don't really care to come all the way out? Alright. What about you? Huh? You gonna come out today? Huh, Cruella? You never really do. Not too much. I mean, you come out occasionally. But, you don't really venture out too much, do you? You've gotten old. She's, what, almost 10 now? Almost 10? So, she's up there in age, and she's slowed down quite a lot. And, I don't really know. I don't know how long she's gonna live, but I'm hoping I get at least another 5 to 10 years out of her, right? If not another 20, huh? We're gonna have a 30-year-old corn snake? Can we get a 30-year-old corn snake? Okay, I guess today is a day of just hanging out with our heads hanging out, but without any care to actually come out. So I thought I would have some more roaming to show folks, but oh, are we getting curious? Are we getting curious? Where are you gonna go this morning? Where are you gonna go this morning? Nowhere in particular? You just still want to just hang out. You just literally have poked your head out and kind of look like you've fallen back to sleep. Alright, well, I mean, whatever suits your boat. Oh, Antiope, that is Cruella's home. You cannot go into Cruella's home. You cannot go into Cruella's home. Since Cruella's not going to come out, I'm going to close that. Oh, look. Look who's turned around. Hello. Hello, Shere Khan. Are you going to join us today on the outside? On the outskirts of the world? No? You looking curious? You getting curious? Hmm? Yeah, you coming out further and further. This is definitely like one of my tamest snakes. And I'm really hoping it stays, her temperament pretty much stays this way. And I don't know if I just keep working with her, it will. I know that she's gonna be a really big snake one day, and so if she can just stay this sweet and this just curious and active, I'm sorry, I scared you. I did that. I scared you. That was an unexpected place to be touched. My bad. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. So, but she's gonna be a big snake one day. So I want to make sure that she stays handled often and gets a lot of interaction. Um, Stays with this really sweet disposition. She's a really good, handleable girl, and she's gonna be a giant. So if she continues to be a big, giant, handleable girl, that's a plus, right? Ain't that right? Ain't that right, Rumple? I saw you flick your tongue, so I know you're awake. I know you're awake. There you are. Hi. Are you gonna come out further today? Huh? You just have some stunning eyes. You have absolutely stunning eyes. Well, none of you are being super active this morning, so you're not giving me much good to show people. At least they get to see what I attempt to do. That I can just open doors and let people out if they want, or let snakes out if they want. But this morning, it seems that no one is too inclined to come too very far out, and that's okay. It's all about what they want to do. This moment's, it's playtime for them. This is not me forcing them out. This is me giving them the option to just come out when they want, you know. And they do sometimes, and sometimes they are just content to have the doors open and just stick their heads out, and just kind of watch what I'm doing as I move about the room. Now, of course, I do have a rabbit that roams around, so like I can't. When I'm leaving these doors open, I'm sitting right here. If I were to get moving around, I would have to close the Antiope's door at least, because she's like right there on the ground, right? And Evie would try to go all up in there, and it just wouldn't be good. Wouldn't be good. Wouldn't be good. Wouldn't be good at all. But neither of them, I'd be surprised, have really shown me. This is on ground level, right? And Evie passes here all the time, but none of them have shown like interest in Evie. Um, Artemis, my big girl over there, in her enclosure does, but these guys have not really shown too much uh, to have too much in my care about Evie. But I mean, I'm sure as this girl gets bigger, she absolutely would. But you know, either way, I still keep everybody safe, and I don't allow them to interact in any way, shape, or form. But yeah, I'm just I don't have much to say this morning. Just wanted to kind of check in and let you guys know what the babies is looking like, and was trying to show you them having a morning roam, but they're not inclined to really come out too much. They just kind of wanted the doors open, so that's all right too. And I'm gonna let them chill, and you guys have a good day. Take care of yourselves. Love your reptiles. Love your loved ones. Love yourselves, and just keep spreading those herbs, y'all. Say bye, everybody. Take care.